This part of the Library Overview series will focus on the resources Salmon Library provides, databases, journals, books, and the tools that we use to navigate them. It's important to understand how the information is organized and accessible in our library. So this will be an overview of the primary access points to various types of data, as well as a primer on knowing when to use which tool. There are 4 points of access I want to bring to your attention today: our catalog, OneSearch, database guides, and our Browse Journals feature. Your first stop is at www.uah.edu/library. This is the primary landing page for the library and will serve as a portal to our resources. There are clickable tiles in the top border here to get you to most of our resources. However, there is a blue box on the left of the screen with expandable trees that will take you to them as well. The tiles are quicker, so let's do that and go to the catalog. On this page, you'll see a quick bar to search our catalog by title, keyword, author, or subject. This is where you also can log in with your A number to perform tasks such as renewing checked out materials or checking due dates. The basic search is fine, but as a graduate student, you may get more use out of the advanced search, so I will click that now. The catalog is a good place to go to search our book collection, but not the best place to search for periodicals such as our journals. Aside from using it to see what we have on a subject, it's also one way to search for dissertations, however. Let's say I search for optics as a subject term. I might also want theses or dissertations related to this topic. So, as a tip, go back, type in thesis or dissertation in the title field, then hit search. Now you've limited to a content type useful in thesis research. Note that resources will indicate whether they are online or in print on the record. So pay attention to see if you need to click a link or physically go to retrieve an item from the shelves. Back on the home page, let's move on to OneSearch. In the center, you'll see a black search box. This intentionally invokes what you might call a Google experience. OneSearch provides a quick means of searching across most of our databases and catalog. Let's search for pediatrics, for example. The result list you retrieve is going to be a potential mishmash of monographs, encyclopedic overviews called research starters, academic articles, editorials, and more. This is why OneSearch is a good starting point, especially for casting as broad a net as possible to learn about a topic. However, it can be a bit unwieldy if you are trying to do more focused research. OneSearch generally starts very broad, and you need to refine your strategy to make it work efficiently. On the left, you'll see filters you can use to quickly sort down to just peer-reviewed content, or focus in on viewing books or conference proceedings. OneSearch can be quite useful when used efficiently. Back on the home page, let's click on the Articles and Databases tile. Sometimes, especially when conducting higher-level research or trying to teach your students about a focused topic, you need to start here. The database portal lists a quick start guide containing many commonly used databases. Also, on the left, you'll see clickable buttons for various colleges, such as business or nursing. Clicking on these will take you to a curated list of our databases that are likely to be the most useful for your discipline. Under nursing, for instance, you'll find links to databases such as CINAHL. This might be a better place than OneSearch to conduct research on a medical topic. As you'll see, you may have a more focused subset of medically focused journals as a starting point. The starting point, however, will vary by discipline, so if you're unsure, contact a librarian to assist you. For our last stop today, let's click on the Journals tab. Sometimes you want to have students look in specific academic journals, or you may have a particular publication that is particularly useful to your field. This search does allow you to browse by subject, but you can also go straight to your title. Let's type in aviation history, for example. If you click on the expandable tree button below the title search box, you will see each of the databases that you can access this resource at UAH. Sometimes it's online, sometimes in print. You can even search within a publication in its search box. This will pull a list for you of each article across this title's publication that includes your search term. It's a pretty handy way to do a quick search across an entire publication you're interested in. There are other tips, tricks, and search strategies I could share with you. This covers the basic entry points for you to conduct your research at UAH. Check out the next video in this series to find out how you can contact your instruction librarian or subject specialist to assist you in your teaching initiatives at UAH.